The automotive world is evolving faster than ever. EVs, hybrids, autonomous driving, and connected cars add new layers of complexity. For OEMs and suppliers, every rising expectation raises the stakes. Shifting customer demands, software-defined vehicles, connected ecosystems, and AI-driven operations demand a new approach. Advantage now comes from full-stack integration, where supply, manufacturing, and software work as one adaptive system. Innova helps OEMs deliver safer, future-ready mobility powered by connected platforms, V2X communication, secure over-the-air updates, and data-driven digital services. We build resilient supply chains with AI-powered forecasting, supplier risk prediction, and intelligent inventory optimization. We modernize plants into connected, sensor-enabled factories, driving efficiency, sustainability, and autonomous operations. Through AI-driven software, data, quality engineering, and automation, we accelerate development cycles and speed up time to market. No player succeeds alone. From suppliers to OEMs and dealers, every link in the chain must be connected, transparent, and adaptive. Innova enables the automotive value chain to digitize, integrate, and scale for shared advantage. The road ahead belongs to leaders who digitize and scale. With Innova, you don't just adapt, you accelerate the future of mobility.